if your UC browser is not opening, I'm going to show you how to fix that immediately. And what we are going to do is we search for UC browser here. So we search that. Good. And we hop on the main page here. What we are going to do is we need to search for an update. So there is no update here. So in this case, sometimes when there's an update, your app will be misbehaving. You need to update it before it starts working perfectly. So in this case, there is no update here. So let's move to the second option. So let's come here. Let's move to our settings here. This is going to work perfectly if you're on Android. So what we need to do is on our apps here, let's scroll to UC browser. Good. So we find it here. Now let's tap on that here. Let's launch it and let's move straight to the storage. So we tap on this here. Good. So what we are going to do is we are going to clear the cache. So we just tap on the clearing of cache and we clear it. Good. After that, we can clear the data too as well. So when you clear your data, you're going to log out from the account. If you've downloaded something, it's going to be cleared. If you've screenshot something, it's going to be cleared too as well. So take note, if you don't want that, don't do this. After that, let's come back here. And now let's tackle another option. So the next option, we are going to open the permissions. So sometimes the app needs some sort of permissions to function well. So in this case, let's enable the microphone, let's enable the storage and even the camera. And then let's leave our contacts here. So in this case, when we are done with this, you can go and reopen your UC browser to see whether it's going to work. If it doesn't work, now let's tackle with the third option. So now let's come back here. Let's reopen Google Chrome here. And you can see on the UC browser page, just open it like this. What you are going to do is you are going to uninstall it and reinstall it. So now let's tap on the uninstall like this. So we uninstall it from our mobile phone and we reinstall it again to see whether it's going to work. Yeah. So that's it. You just tap on the install to install it back again. So that's it on how you fix your UC browser not opening or lagging UC browser. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.